Hey everybody, it's Tony from Car Stars, and I got back in the shop. Super stoked. The block from my LS1, back from the machine shop. Got it up on the engine stand, which was no easy feat by myself. No hoist or anything, just picking it up and putting it on there. In my advanced old age, that was tough. Anyway, yeah, so I've got my other parts over there, my heads, my crank, my connecting rods, pistons. I've got the gasket set. I still need a few things before I start assembling this, like I need head bolts. I don't think I have those. Although I did get an entire engine bolt kit, but I want to use, obviously, uprated bolts for this head, so ARP, I'm guessing, probably. Yeah, so I'm stoked. I'm stoked to get it back together. Still working on everything else. I've been working on my my Starion. There's an intake for a Starion. I've been trying to decide if there's some different things I could do. Like, the Starion fuel injectors are somewhat of a rare item. You only have a few options for getting new ones, and they're very expensive. So I was thinking maybe I could go something like a 2-barrel Holley, injected throttle body type setup, or maybe that Phytech. Maybe I could do. A guy had modified one of these to accept a 2-barrel Phytech. Seems to work great. So I'm thinking about doing something similar. But right now, I'm just trying to get that car running. It is currently up for sale. I don't know if haven't had a ton of interest in it, so I don't know. It's running, so I'm kind of stoked about that too. So I've been working on that and neglecting my Corvette as things go. My shop is getting dirtier and more cluttered by the second. So anyway, but at least it's inside the shop now. I got most of the parts. I'm stoked to get to work on it. All right, thanks for checking in. See y'all later.